Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the AOLON Watch Tetra S5 and the C20 Pro smartwatch. This time we are going to compare its UI and the features or the menus. On our previous video, we have the comparison of its specs, the design, and the UI. This time we will focus more on the features offered for both smartwatches. So if you are interested to see the difference between the AOLON Watch Tetra S5 comparing it with the C20 Pro, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the UI and the features offered for the AOLON Watch Tetra S5 comparing it with the C20 Pro. So let's go first with the UI. On top we have the settings and options here. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have here the split screen, a dashboard for common apps here for the C20 Pro. On the right side we have the widgets. Okay, going back. To access the main menu, just press the sports button here, power button for our Watch Tetra S5, and we have here the features. We have the daily activity tracking, we have the Bluetooth phone call, we have the heart rate, we have the stress monitoring, we have the blood oxygen here, we have a blood pressure here, and we don't have it here in the AOLON Watch Tetra S5. Anyway, it's not useful if you're going to ask me. Okay, it's not reliable. We have the workout or the sports functions. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports, as you can see here, but more sports functions for our C20 Pro. I think this is more than 120 sports functions or 100 sports functions. We have the sleep monitoring, we have the push notifications here. We also have here the music control function. For the music control function, I find the Watch Tetra S5 more reliable compared to our C20 Pro. Message notifications, relax, and we have breathing exercises here. We have AI voice, and we don't have it here. Okay, do we have a sleep monitoring? Did not notice it here. Okay, so we have a sleep monitoring. For the tools, we have the toolbox here. Okay, we have the stopwatch, we have the alarm, we have the timer here, we have the cycle tracking, we don't have it here. We also have here a calculator, we have a calendar here, but we don't have it here in the C20 Pro. We have AI voice, we don't have it here in the Tetra S5. We have a compass, but we don't have it here in the C20 Pro. We have a flashlight also, which is very useful. Okay, going back. For the settings, so here are the settings. Okay, we both do have a raise to wake option, the display, brightness adjustment, and the watch face. Okay, again, here are the menus and features for the Watch Tetra S5 and the C20 Pro smartwatch. So more features for our AOLON Watch Tetra S5, but when it comes to sports functions, more sports functions is available in the C20 Pro. Anyway, the C20 Pro is already 1 year older compared to our Watch Tetra S5. So the newest is the Watch Tetra S5. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding these wearables, drop a comment below, and if you have any requests, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.